It's day 3 of opening my Space and Advent calendar every day for 25 days. I'm so excited. I can't wait to find out what is inside the day 3 box. So let's find the 3 box and check what is inside it. All right. Um. So this is the day 3 box, and oh wow, what is this? We have the K18 Biometric Hair Science Molecular Repair Hair Oil. Oh, wow! Oh my god. I'm so excited. So happy to find this in my box. This is what we have, guys. My nails are so long. I'm trying to open this without ruining my nails. Wow. I so much like the way this is designed. It has a pump, like you press here to fill in the tube with the oil and then press it down onto your hair. Oh, I'm so excited to find this. Now I have my protective hairstyle on. I can apply this hair oil to my protective hairstyle. So excited. And that's it for the day 3 item. And I will see you on the day 4. Bye.